Alright, catching a quick meal here before we get our connecting bus to Rusutsu, which is 2 hours. So, tuck in. Here are a few tips. If you're coming in from international terminal, make sure you quickly go towards the domestic. That's where the buses are. Here's something about Japanese vending machines, alright? Blue, cold drink, red, hot drink. Alright, I think I need a red one now. Yeah, it's cold. Last year when I was here, I drove and missed out on all this beautiful scenery. And actually, taking a bus is not too bad, you know.
Welcome to the Westin Rusutsu!
We're going on a different kind of sleigh ride. Alright, so the good thing about the Westin is that you know, when you ski here, it comes with the ski locker, and you can actually feed the entire ski board inside. It uses locker card, right? And this is very important. It comes with your room key, so you just slot it in. Alright, and then you combination, lock it, and that's it. Alright, it's free. At the end of the day, after playing with the kids out in the snow and all that, it is really good to be able to come back in the evening to a nice warm dinner at the Atrium here. Snow crab! And look at all these meats here. This is great for the kids. You know, you have your sliders here. Alright, you have your sausages, your frankfurt, your hamburger steak, so on. My goodness, you're spoiled for choice. You have to try the sashimi. And this one is Rusutsu pork. Don't get this at home now. I have to stop recording soon, alright, because I'm getting very hungry. It's 6:30 and the crowds have started to come in. And really, the food here is really good. So do come early and get a space here at the Atrium, over here at the Westin Rusutsu. I mean, it's really nice that after a day out in the snow and all that, you don't have to go out again and just kind of like enjoy a meal here in a warm, cozy environment. Oh yeah, the sashimi is so super fresh. Really, you're gonna have it. Snow crab again, the snow crab. Okay, go for it. And Dana likes the dessert, and I'll let her tell you what.
I like the matcha jelly, raspberry on top, red bean mochi, cream puff, cheesecake. There's also ice cream.
Somebody likes his ice cream too. Ta-da! So after the kids are all tucked in, now I'm just gonna have some me time at the onsen. So